divide decimals. So let's talk about what division actually means. If I have 14 divided by 2, what that means is how many groups of 2, are in 14? So that means that I have 14 things, and if you look, if you count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I want to shade in all the groups of 2. So I'm going to shade in that group, that group, that group, that group, that group, that group, and that group. So what I've done is I just drew a picture of the problem. I have 14 items and I want groups of 2. So how many groups is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. So I have 7 groups. That's all division is groups of items. So let's take that same concept and move it to division. So this is 36 hundredths, right here, 36 hundredths divided by 4 hundredths. So 36 pennies divided by 4 pennies. So what does that mean in word form? Well, what it means is how many groups of 4 hundredths are in 36 hundredths. So what I'm going to start with is 36 hundredths. That's what I have to start with. So here's my grid. 36 hundredths is 36 pennies. So I'm just going to outline 36 hundredths. This is 10, 20, 30, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is what I'm starting with. 36 pennies, 36 cents. So I want to know how many groups of 4 pennies I can make. So I'm going to count 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and shade it in. 4 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4, shade it in. 4 pennies, 1, 2, 4. 4 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be a different color. I forgot to change it, sorry. So let's make that a different color. And 4 pennies again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 more pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now all we're going to do is count up how many different things I colored in. So this is 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups, 8 groups, 9 groups. How many groups do I have? I have 9 groups. So my answer is 9. 36 hundredths divided by 4 hundredths is 9. 9 groups. Okay, let's move on to another one. Okay, so this one is 8 tenths divided by 2 tenths. So what would this say? It would say how many groups of what are in blank. So what do you think would go here? 2 tenths, yep. How many groups of 2 tenths are in, what would go here? 8 tenths, good job, you said it correctly. So let's go ahead and just fill that in. 2 tenths and 8 tenths. So what am I going to start with? I'm going to start with 8 tenths. And if you notice, this is cut into 10 pieces. So I need to mark 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 tenths. Right here. And within that group, I want to see how many groups of 2 tenths I can make. So I'm going to shade in 2 tenths. There's 2 Okay, so let's count how many things we shaded in. How many colors we have? 1 here, that's 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group. So what's the answer? The answer is simply 4. 8/10 divided by 2/10 is 4. Okay, try the next one on your own. So I want you to try 98 hundredths divided by 14 hundredths on your own. Go ahead and hit pause, solve it, and then hit play when you're ready. Okay, so your paper should look something like this. The first thing you do is figure out how much 98 was, and that's 98 cents. So in the black, I boxed in the 98 boxes that I was going to use. And then I went through and did 14 boxes every different color. So these 14 are in pink, 14 in black, blue, purple, star, green, and yellow. So that's 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group, 5 group, 6 group, 7 groups. So my answer is 7 groups, or just 7. So I want you to go to this page, solve these problems, hit pause and solve them, and then check your answers. Okay, so I want you to solve these 5 problems on your own, hit pause. When you have all 5 saved, your answer is going to go over here. When you have all 5 done, go ahead and hit play and check your answers. Okay, so here are your answers. The first thing you had to do on number 1 was find 8/10, so I boxed that in black, and then I colored 2 sticks in, which gave me an answer of 4. For number 2, you needed 3 holes, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 more of the next one, so I went ahead and boxed that in, and I shaded in every 4 sticks, which gave me an answer of 8. For number 3, I needed 6 sticks, so I boxed in 6 sticks, and then I covered in every 1 stick, which gave me an answer of 6. For number 4, I needed 2 holes, 1, 2, and then 4 of the next one, so I went ahead and boxed all that in, and I shaded every 8 sticks, because that's 8/10, so 8/10, 8/10, 8/10, which gave me an answer of 3. And then for the last one, I needed 2 holes again, and 4 of the next one, and then I shaded in 4 sticks, so 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. How many different colors is that? That's 6. So that's how we divide decimals with models, and that's what you're going to be doing for homework. There is no quiz today, but what I want you to do at the bottom here, just to make sure that I know you watched it, is write me a funny, appropriate joke. And the joke I like the best from each class will get a prize. Okay? So don't tell anybody, make sure they watch it on their own.